Hi there, Scott Mathias again. In this video we're going to be making gazpacho or RAWspacho, which is a take on the old gazpacho recipe. Now for this it's very simple, and this is one of those recipes that when you open the fridge doors, you're looking inside, you've got it filled with vegetables and things, and you say to yourself, what can I whip up really quickly that is going to give my body what it needs? So simply the recipe is 1 tomato, okay? Half a Lebanese cucumber, or cucumber to the same extent as that. About 1/4 to 1/2 of red bell pepper. You can add some chives if necessary, but I've got a few chives and spring onions, and I'm going to put some red onion in mine tonight. But if you really want to heat it up a little bit, especially during winter months, you can drop a chili in and you can drop some garlic in. I'm going to take the garlic tonight, but I'm not going to take the chili, because sometimes I find that's quite hot for me in such a concentration. I'm going to top it off with a bit of macadamia oil and just serve it in a lovely wee plate. It's going to take a few moments. So what we're going to do is literally drop the tomato into my trusty little bullet here. Now remember, most of my videos are designed for small portions. They're not designed for big portions, and if you need to actually increase the size of portions at any time, then all you need to do is make more. So we'll just get the red pepper in there. And we'll just drop the red onion in. Clove of garlic, which is a biggie for me, but hey, it's good. We'll fill it up with some lime juice. Now lemon juice will work as well, so you don't need to get too serious about that. I actually like a lot. The lime juice actually makes it nice and sweet as well. But once you've done it a couple of times, you'll be able to vary the composition to whatever you prefer, okay? Now a little bit of seasoning. I love my pepper. Well, that's some salt actually, but I love my pepper as well. I'll put a grind of that in. Okay, it's this simple. Stick the base on, the bullet. Find yourself one of these bullets anywhere, as seen on TV, in any of the cheaper food shops or anything like that. Here we go again. So many things to think about, I tell you. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, that's it. There is your raw soup, your gazpacho. Just take that off there. I'll just have a wee taste of that. Absolutely perfect. You find more and more that you actually prepare raw food, you'll find that you get the taste right first time out, which is just fabulous. Just top that off with a little bit of colour, some diced tomato and some diced red pepper, just to finish it off beautifully. And what we'll also do, let's take this a little bit here, is just put some of these chives on the top as well. And then we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of oil around the top here. Oh, just beautiful. Of course, I get to eat all this wonderful food that I prepare. Alright, absolutely perfect. There it is, done. In less than 3 minutes. Now get rid of the talking, and it would take literally a couple of minutes. And of course, remember, there are photographs at the front of each of the videos and at the back, so that you can freeze frame them so you can actually see exactly what the final product looks like. Okay, there you go, another raw recipe for you. I hope you enjoy it. It's really simple, it's straightforward, and your journey so far, I hope you're having a lot of fun. Until the next video, I'm Scott Mathias. Cheerio.